Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am in the middle of pulling a prank. Me and my family are about to head out for dinner because it's my nan's birthday, and I've just run out to my mum's car because we're going in there, and I've just stuck a piece of paper on the back of her car that says "Honk if you're horny." Let's fucking give it a go. Fingers crossed it works. She doesn't see it before. Okay, bye.
Poppy, help her with the seatbelt before she has a plastic.
Fucking hell, Sally, you're gonna have to get a bigger car.
Where are we going? Pear Bridge. Thought we'd make a change. Are we all not eating pork tonight?
Well, not if you don't want.
Yeah, no pork. Yeah, you, if you don't want. She meant she's fucking having it if she wants it.
No pork for you.
It's her birthday. She'll have what the fuck she wants when she wants it.
Where are we going?
Oh, Jesus. Pear Tree Bridge, Mum. I just told you that. What?
Why is everyone beeping you?
Has someone got a door open? Is the boot open?
No.
Right, come on, that is the second beep we've had.
Maybe we're blowing up.
Maybe it wasn't to you. He was that side.
But that's two beeps. And I wasn't on his side of the road, was I?
Yeah, but he was coming on that side of the road.
Maybe you're just a shit driver.
Oh, Chloe, you know that video idea you had? The whole on the car?
No.
Is he around us? Who's laughing? What did I do, please? Oh, we'll go there because we can walk out that door there, can't we? I'm going to go here where I'm not going to get hit, and I'm going to have a quick check of the car. See what the fuck is wrong with it. What are you all laughing at? Are you taking the piss out of me or your nan? Because I'm never quite sure anymore.
Oh, I thought she did.
You know what it feels like.
Yeah, it's getting more and more freaky. I'll bring Nan. I thought you should have the... Just bring her car. Bring it. Oh,
Where's that?
oh
What are you laughing
my God. Oh my God! If you're horny. Chloe, I was worried the fucking car was falling apart. Oh my God! I have actually got the worst kid in. Oh my God! Whose idea was that? You asked for the sellotape. I thought you was wrapping her a present up.
Sally, you only got 2 honks in 6 miles.
Oh, no, I didn't. I got about 4. Yeah, and it was 2 miles exactly. That's pretty good. Oh my God!
Yeah, I was trying to sit on that side so you were.
Yeah, you was being a cunt, and I knew you was gonna fucking say. Do you remember that video I did?
Did you lot know that it was on there?
I didn't.
I did. Because I know she'd fucking tell you.
I thought she was giggling a bit. You're such a cow. I don't love you.
Did you enjoy it?
No, I don't love you.
Why?
You're my least favourite child today.
I'm your favourite because I
No, because you knew about it. That's why you didn't.
Say thank you, Chloe.
Thank you.
She'll never trust you lot.
Say thank you, Chloe.
Thank you, Chloe. That's brilliant.
Oh, that smells good.
Hey, did that cheer up your birthday?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mum, for insult.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, like, comment, share, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
You, so tell my friends that I'll be